Hello everyone, let's welcome to this new Learn Anyone channel. So hope you are doing good. So today we will discuss what is the difference and between SAP GUI versus SAP Fiori applications, which is a very hot topics in this day. So I would like to tell the fresher beginners, okay, please do not confused. Okay, I will tell you now what is the difference and which is better for going forward, right? So let's start. So basically SAP GUI versus SAP Fiori. So SAP GUI is a traditional, I mean you can say okay, and Fiori is a modern. And second difference you can say SAP GUI is the use for the T code based, but Fury is basically a role based, you can say web based. And GUI you can use in ECC and S4 HANA, but Fury especially for design for the S4 HANA, right? And one more important thing, GUI is not possible to access by the mobile, but Fury can access through mobile, end user anywhere. This is a role based basically, but GUIs are not a role based. So these are the comparisons. So which one should go? Basically the fresher. So fresher always or beginners should go with first. If you have a do not a much exposure, then you could go for the GUI first. You can take exposure, you can use T codes, you learn comfortable with SAP S4 HANA or ECC. If it is good, then you can go to the SAP Fury, which is very easy, and it is a future career, and it is for the future, which is very a user friendly tool, SAP Fury. So I'm going to teach here how to basically use in SAP environment. Okay, so let's start. So basically, as we are aware, right, we are already use a T code using this command prompt. Okay, let's say example SC11. So this is a command prompt I'm giving here, and you can, let's see Mara. Okay, and you can display the data, but in the case of Fury is a different way to log in. I'll tell you. See, this is the called a traditional, okay, the way of accessing the through the T codes. Now I'll tell you how to use a Fury basically. So in this left panel you will see under favorite we will have a SAP Fury Launchpad. So any SAP HANA server you will have here, this is the Launchpad already available. If it is not available, they can use a T code to, I mean, automatically open your Fury app, right? So let's see, I'm going here to click here. See, automatically that is window is open. Okay, that is a Internet Explorer. Sometimes it is not opened. So what you need to do, sometimes it is not giving some error. So what you need to do, just copy the link over here and open a Chrome browser. Okay, sometimes it is not compatible, Internet Explorer is not compatible with this, then you will have to open a Chrome browser, so it would be very comfortable. Okay, I'm show you how we could do this. Okay, so wait a minute. So I'm going to here, yes, so copy the link and paste over here. It is saying something, right? Go to the advanced and here proceed to S4 link, right? See, this is called the Fury app login detail. So you can give it over here. This is the user ID and here is the password. So if it is correct, it would be login successfully, and whatever the language you want you can prefer here, you can put it over here and click login. So now this is the web based, completely very easy and user friendly app that is called Fury, and which is a future, which is very good. You can see here, if you go here you can see Launchpad, each and every, there is no use any T code, it is just a drag and drop and very user friendly. You can access from anywhere like a mobile, laptop or any like okay, anywhere. It is very easy. So this is how we are accessing. So one more thing I would like to tell you, sometimes you will have a opening issues. Let's see if I'll tell you once again. If you open here, see it is a, by default is Internet Explorer. Let's see, I'm continue with this. See, it is now opening, but sometimes it is giving the error. So in case if it is giving the error, please use a Chrome browser, right? You can use a Chrome browser. So this is my like advice. Sometimes you will use this one, you will have a error. Let's see, even if it is working then fine, otherwise you will have to use, see it is not opening. So that is a some certification issues, maybe something, some Internet Explorer not supported or not compatible with this Fiori app. So that's why we recommended to use a Chrome browser while opening any that the Fiori app. So this is how we can open and we can use as per your learning. So this is we are doing a mistake. Sometimes user is that some student and fresher are very panic. I mean, it is not opening, what should do. So this is the basic available sessions. So please, going forward, like, subscribe this channel for further video, and definitely you should share with your friend going forward. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye.